On May the 7th, 2024, what started as a simple call about a vehicle that had run out of gas quickly turned into a tense encounter between a new driver and responding officers.
Hey man, what's going on?
So, I don't even have a radio ID number.
No, you're good.
New hire, so. She's way out here saying she ran out of gas, but look how far we're from the road.
You ran out of gas, but you're off the roadway?
Yeah, I don't know if it was linked to, I don't know what's that over there.
Stop.
So you took it off the roadway? Way back there?
What?
You said you drove it off the roadway?
Yeah, because I didn't want to get hit by a car.
You could have just pulled over to the side of the road.
For you guys.
Oh, I just wanted to feel safe.
Yeah.
And accidentally crash into me.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I didn't want anyone to accidentally crash into me or something.
Okay. Alright, no big deal. Do you have your license, registration, and insurance? And then I'll start the record for you.
You'll start what?
A record.
What does that mean?
A tow truck to get you out of here. You're not going to be able to drive out of here.
What is the record? Does that mean is that a penalty or something?
No, the tow truck
Yeah.
is a record.
I'll have it.
Tow truck has to pull you out.
Yeah, just add me to that.
Oh, I thought you were saying something was going on my record or something. I thought you said something on my record.
No, not record. Wrecker. Where are you coming from?
I don't know.
Are you going to Miami-Dade College?
What?
Huh?
Is Miami-Dade College listening?
Yeah. Miss Safrink. I'm gonna screw you.
I think you can read.
I mean, I don't want to butcher your name.
Why would you? You know how to read. Sound it out.
Serafina? Serafina? Serafina?
Wow, congratulations. You know how to read.
Yeah, I did go to school.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
Alright.
I know.
Where you said you were coming from now?
Grasshopper.
Yeah, I just made this shit. Did you see that for running?
You know how you can avoid that? You can step out and that way they don't jump on you. Because there's one right there. There's one car. You want to step out?
They're gonna start calling on me.
Yeah, I'll shoot out.
Where'd you say you were coming from now?
I was coming from somewhere that I don't want to disclose. I don't feel comfortable disclosing that.
What do you mean?
So what are we doing? What's the process here?
Alright, what's your phone number? Alright. The vehicle's registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you call anybody to come get you?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
No.
There's no phones in the car, or you don't have a charger?
I don't have a phone.
Okay, alright.
And what would be on the day that we're shooting, right? So.
Well, the trooper's coming, so I don't know where he's coming from, but he's on his way. I just have to hold on to your information until he gets here.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
Got it.
Hey, don't roll up the window.
What? There are bugs coming in here.
I told you you can avoid the bugs by stepping out here. If you want to sit in there and bask in the bugs, then that's on you.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I can't see without light in the nighttime. It's too dark. So that's why I use a flashlight.
Why are you pointing the flashlight in here?
Because you and I are hanging out right now.
Can I put my window up, please?
I'm sorry, what?
The bugs are coming in here.
Why is she putting on her seatbelt? Trying to take off. Roll on the window for me. Why are you putting on your seatbelt?
What?
So why are you putting on your seatbelt?
Why is it a problem that I'm putting on my seatbelt?
Because your car isn't able to drive.
Okay.
Okay, and you're not free to go, so go ahead and step out of the car for me. Go ahead and step... Thomas! Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come down. Come down here. Yes, unlock the door, please. don't do that. Because you need to hang out with us out of the car. Step out of the car or we're going to remove you from the car. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Listen to what I'm saying. Just listen. Listen to what I'm saying. Just get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Driver window breaker. She put her seatbelt on and she's locking the car.
The driver insisted she had pulled off the roadway for safety, but her behavior raised more questions than answers. When officers asked her to step out, she locked the doors, fastened her seatbelt, and refused to comply. The situation escalated, leading officers to break the window and forcibly remove her from the vehicle. What followed was a chaotic struggle filled with accusations, shouting, and hostility on both sides.
Shut off the car and get out the car. Get out. Get out. I'm gonna break the window. Get out.
Chance or we're gonna
Last
break the
chance.
window.
I'm gonna break the window. Last chance. 3, 2.
Get out.
Get out.
Wait till
Get
I put my
out.
shoes
Get the out.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Put your other arm behind your back. Put your other arm behind your back.
Oh my god.
There you go.
You're so evil.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
You're
Don't do that.
so evil. I didn't do anything. I'm supposed to be in the car.
Don't do that. No.
I didn't do anything to you. That's why people hate you. You see this right here, power tripping? Both of you, evil. You're the only good one out of this. So evil.
Black female 1015.
You're a black.
Here, turn over.
You're so fucking racist. My boobs are out. Please lift my state.
Your boobs are not out. You'll be alright.
You're disgusting.
Give me the laptop finder, please.
Somebody pull my shirt up. My nipples are out.
Alright, we'll pull it up. Sit up.
I'm not gonna be one of these.
Sit up. I got a shirt.
Disgusting
Sit up. I got a shirt.
people.
Do you want your
You're
shit to
so
go?
funny.
I'm
Listen,
holding you, okay?
he's the most racist person
Can
alive.
you reach over and say to me?
Kim Kardashian.
Sound shirt.
To be in this position. Look what the he's doing to me. He's turning me into
Hey.
one of those.
Relax.
He's turning me. I was
Try to
never
fix.
like
I'm gonna
this.
fold him in step,
No,
okay?
it's not fair.
There we go.
You're the only one.
It's tied. There.
You power tripper piece of shit.
Okay, that's fine. I've been called worse. Come on. Walk on your 2 feet.
You feel good?
Walk on your 2
You
feet.
got your dose?
Watch your
You
feet.
disgusting piece of shit.
That's fine. I've been called worse.
You deserve it.
I've been called worse.
You deserve it.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get
In the car.
Get in the car.
That's the most power you ever felt.
Shut your
It's your daddy's fault, not me. You power tripping because
Sit
your
back there.
daddy.
Sit back or I'll put you back.
Because that's what you feel like doing. You're taking all your daddy's frustration out on me. You feel powerful with that red and black shit. You piece of shit.
Sit back.
You're a piece of shit. It's your daddy's fault, not me. You're pissed off at your dad.
Do not sit in my
You're
face.
pissed off
Do
at
not
your
sit in my
dad.
face.
You're pissed off at your dad.
Do not sit in my face.
Do not punch me. It's your daddy's fault. Your daddy hated your piece of shit. Your daddy hated your mom.
In the end, the driver was charged with driving under the influence, resisting an officer without violence, and failure to maintain a single lane. What began as a vehicle breakdown turned into a criminal case, raising questions about judgment, compliance, and the thin line between caution and confrontation.